rest first rest first rest first rest first how to say in Thai สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone welcome to learning how to combine Thai words with Thai Kids Academy today we will take a look at these two words the first one is rest in Thai we say พัก and the second one is before in Thai we say ก่อน but if I combine them together we will got พักก่อน which means rest first for example I'm so tired I don't wanna do this เหนื่อยจังไม่อยากทำอันนี้เลย Let's first you can do it again tomorrow พักก่อนพรุ่งนี้ค่อยทำใหม่ Thank you so much for watching if you are interested in our first course